When it comes to securing plastic pipe, not all clips are created equal. So what's the difference, and which one is right for your job? First, let's break down the more standard clip options, including ABS and PVC standard pipe clips, saddle pipe clips, Cobra pipe clips, and MDPE pipe clips. They're designed to securely hold pipework in place along walls, ceilings, or other surfaces. They're strong, reliable, and ideal for general installations. These clips are typically rigid in design, meaning the pipe sits directly against a hard plastic or metal surface. That makes them great for durability and everyday use. They're cost-effective, easy to install, and perfectly suitable for many standard applications. Although, what do you do for more critical applications? That's where the Walraven Bifix 5000 G2 rubber-lined clip comes in. What makes it special is the integrated rubber lining inside the clip. Plastic pipe can expand or shift slightly with temperature changes, and the rubber lining allows the clip to accommodate that movement without gripping too tightly or causing stress points. This provides a softer grip, which helps protect the pipe from scratches, deformation, or stress, especially on softer plastic materials. It also significantly reduces vibration and noise, so if the pipe is carrying fluid under pressure or installed in an environment where movement or sound could be an issue, this becomes a major advantage. Accessories can also be purchased to allow a variety of mounting solutions, including fixing rails and swivel hangers. The clip is compatible with both M8 and M10 threads. You still get a strong and secure installation, but with added protection and flexibility. So, in summary, standard clips are ideal for general pipe fixing where durability and simplicity are the priority. But when you're working with plastic pipe and need vibration control, surface protection, and adaptability to expansion, the Walraven Bifix 5000 G2 rubber-lined clips are the better choice. Whichever pipe clips you need for your installation, you'll find them at pipestock.com.